I got the TOSTOG Digital Wall Clock. Major features are military time, 24-hour time, tells the month, the date, and the temperature. In the rear, you can hang it on the wall. There's your set buttons up and down, reset switch, charge indicator light, USB to USB-C cord that's quite long. You get a stand that folds, goes with the clock where you can set it anywhere you want. That's how it sets in the stand, but you can hang it on the wall. Comes with the instructions on how to, easy to set up. Battery life is great. Very nice product, makes a great gift. Good value for your money, great quality clock, well designed. Thank you.